the witch soul is this beautiful piece of fish. What we're going to do today is we're going to do them something that you can do in the house quite simply. We're going to sort of cook them in white wine and butter and make a little sauce with the juices that are left. So I'm going to take the fish and we're just going to really simply just roll it up. So just give it a light seasoning, like so, all over the fillet. We're just going to roll them up quite loosely. You don't want to be too tight. Just nice and loose, gently. Okay. We're going to take a little bit of butter, a little knob of butter, and we're just going to grease a tray. Just rub the butter onto the tray like that. Stop the fish sticking. Now place the fish on here. And another little knob of butter on top. But yeah, a little bit of white wine over the top. Okay, you don't need a lot. And then a little bit of foil over them. A little bit of foil over. And that's him. Place them in the oven like that. Make sure the foil's tight, keeps all the nice juices in. Six minutes I'd say roughly on that. It's a little bit more delicate. I mean, all fish generally, you're looking at a sort of 4 to 10 minute window maximum. There's not much fish that are cooking any less time, maybe scallops, prawns, things like that. But everything else takes roughly about 4 to 10 minutes maximum. With that, we're going to be serving some runner beans, which I've just chopped up. They're raw. I've just used some frozen peas here, and I've got some asparagus. What we're going to do is we're going to keep this nice big bit of asparagus back, and with this other piece, we're going to really finely slice them on the angle. Okay, we're going to add that to a pan. And we're going to get a little frying pan on the go here. We don't need anything in the frying pan at all. Don't need any oil or anything like that. We're just going to go straight in with the veg, all the veg in a oneer. A little bit of white wine. Just a splash, nothing too crazy. You bring the wine up to the boil with the peas. Okay, this is literally going to take a minute, 2 minutes max. Yeah, a little splash of cream. Not much at all, that was probably about 50 ml of that of cream. Okay, it's all coming together quite nicely. Boil up, so you're basically just cooking this enough time to get the sauce ready, all the vegetables cooked nice and lightly, and just ready to just pour it into the bowl and serve your fish really simply with it. So, and we just start adding a few knobs of butter. The butter will start to melt in straight away. The heat has now been turned off, and I'm just going to move it like this in the pan, and just with the residual heat and the movement and the liquids and the fats, they're all coming together to make a beautiful butter sauce for my asparagus. Next, we're just going to finish it off with some chopped parsley again. Keep my fingers tucked in. You can use any herb if you want, just whatever you like. Chervil, chives. And lastly, a little bit at the end of the lemon. Just the acidity just helps cut through that butter and the cream, the fat. Just give it a little mix together. Pinch of salt. Beautiful. It's so light. A little bit of lemon gives it a nice bit of acidity. So we'll leave that sauce to the side now just while my fish is cooking. Smells nice. There we go, perfect. We've got a lot of flavour in there with the butter and the fish. So we're just going to add a little bit of that back to our pan. So we just lift them off very gently. Best to use a spoon for this, I think. Place fillets on. Tasty, tasty. Just beautifully chuck that sauce on. So simple, but yet so tasty. And like I said, you can use any herbs, chives, chervil. You can even shred boiled garlic if you add some in it. And just make sure you don't lose out any of that sauce. It's super tasty. I would just serve that maybe with maybe like a side of like baby boiled potatoes with some nice herbs on them, something like that, just to maybe make it a bit more substantial. Or you could have that as a nice little starter. Either or.